Math show made by GP. Addition. First we'll start off with addition. Let's use the chunking for addition method. 60,000 plus 40,000. 100,000, because if you were to make it a 6 with a 4, that would be 10. 60 with a 40, 100, 600 with 400, 1,000, 6,000, 4,000, 10,000, 60,000, 40,000, 100,000. Then we're going to bring down a 2,000 with the 8,000. That now equals 10,000. Then we go with the 800 and the 200, and that makes 1,000. Then we go with the 90 and the 10. That equals 100. And 0 with the 0. 0, because 0 plus 0 equals nothing, because they're zeros. So, then we add them all together, which is 1, 1, 1. Okay, 100,000, 11,000, 100. There, see how easy that was? Well, it probably wasn't too easy, but let's go on with the next one. This is subtraction. Let's use the chunking for subtraction method. 10,000, 10,000, 0. 2,000, 2,000, 0. 300, 200, 100. 40, 30, 10. 5, 4, 1. Then we add them all together. We get rid of the zeros. That equals nothing. Then we put the 100 in. That's 100. Then we do the 100 with the 10, which equals 110. Now let's get on to the next one. This is multiplication. 10 times 10 equals, if you know this, it would be 100. But before that, I'm going to show you how to use chunking for multiplication method. So, we just add 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 times. So we go back. Like, we wipe out all the other ones except for the big one, which is when you add it 10 times. So that must be 100. See? Because 10 plus 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 10 equals 100, and that's adding 10 times. You get what I'm saying? Now, most people won't know division, but we'll show you how to work it out. So, to divide 8, well, it's just how many times this number can fit into this number. So, that's 1 time, that's 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, so that equals 4. Now let's get on with a negative fact. Negative fact is a fact that that goes up below 0. But if you think there is no such thing as below 0, you're wrong. 200, 300 minus 100. You're thinking it can't go below 0 because 0 is the bottom number. But it's not true, because when you get up to there, you add the rest of the numbers up. And then you just put a little subtraction sign at the end. Then 30, 20. That equals 10. Add those two together, 90, because then you take away 90. Then you bring down the 20, 40. That equals 20. You put these two together, and it actually equals, well, 4 and a 2 is actually 2, so we'll just cross out the 0. And that equals 88. Thank you for watching. You can try these at home, but remember to partition, add, subtract, multiply and divide. And in your adding, subtracting, multiplying and division and dividing, do the thousands with the thousands, 100s with 100s, tens with tens, and units or ones with ones or units. Thank you for watching.